everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonnet, the owner and creator behind Sonnet's Garden Blooms, and in today's video I am giving you guys a vignette. So I'm going to upcycle a few items with a menagerie transfer, and then I am going to pull together a vignette. So I've gone into my own home, pulled out some of my favorite finds and favorite items I love to decorate with, and I am going to show you how I then pull together a vignette for your kitchen table. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I cannot wait to hear what you guys think. Like I said, as soon as I saw the shape of this basket, I knew it would be the perfect foundation for a vignette. Its long rectangular design really helps ground the entire display and gives me a base to build layers around it. To help build this vignette, I am going to be upcycling a few thrifted items in today's video. I started with a simple book stack and added a few decorative details using IOD's Waltz stamp and the transfer called Menagerie. This is a great way to take something ordinary and give it that collected vintage feel. Next, I'm upcycling a small riser to add a little height and dimension to this vignette. Adding different levels helps create visual interest and makes the display feel more layered. And finally, I created this piece of artwork using IOD's transfer called Menagerie. And one of the things I love most is to create my own custom artwork, because pieces like that you truly won't find anywhere else, and it brings personality into your home. This custom piece of artwork pulls everything together in this vignette. Now it's time to bring everything together. I start by placing the basket as the base of the vignette, and then slowly begin layering in each of the pieces. As I build the vignette, I like to add items one at a time, adjusting the placement until everything feels balanced. Adding that riser really helped bring height to the arrangement, and then after I layered in that book stack, I began adding the rest of the pieces. I like to work in odd numbers whenever possible, like the 3 vintage flower frogs that I used on the riser. I also try to spread color throughout the vignette so the eye moves around your display. Adding a bit of greenery always helps soften everything and brings life into the arrangement. And I love mixing in different textures too, so from the white ironstone to a little bit of that rusty, crusty vintage character. This is honestly always my favorite part, when everything finally comes together. I love layering vintage pieces with a few upcycled elements that I created with the help of IOD. All those little details really help bring a vignette to life. I hope now that I've inspired all of you to go out and create a vignette of your own or a tablescape. Grab some of your favorite pieces, pull them together, and whether that's vintage finds or new pieces that you guys find, just grab some of your favorite pieces and pull them together to create a beautiful tablescape, or like I like to call it, a vignette. So in the comments, let me know what you guys thought of this video. If you like this type of format where I do upcycle items and then bring it all together, I had a ton of fun creating this one. Now, this is a really busy week, you guys. Thursday is the IOD release. So if you guys haven't heard, Thursday at noon, all the products will be available on my website, so you guys can grab all your favorites. It's a good one. I had a ton of fun creating the IOD artisan video. You guys are gonna love it. We all are premiering our videos, so be watching for mine. I'll definitely let you guys know. We can interact together whatever day they do each of our releases. We get to sign up. So with that said, you guys have yourselves a great week. We'll see you guys on Thursday. Bye.